Hello and welcome back to the blog. We're back with another camping video from when we went up to Cooranbong with some mates in April, which is about an hour and a half from Sydney. If you know me personally, or you've watched the other camping video on this channel from last year, you know that me and my husband Chris, we're not seasoned campers. The last time we borrowed a tent from a mate and it took us, I'm pretty sure, 30 minutes to put up. We said, yep, never again, and swore to each other that we would buy our own tent that would be super quick and super easy to put up, and we did just that.
To the Roschelle.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Cheers! Oh, she's looking at the camera.
She knows. Hey, go subscribe down below. She's
Is that how she did it?
She saw it on Wiggles.
The last time we went camping, little Echo here was probably only about 8 months old, and look at her now, walking, talking, and adventuring around with her little sassy personality. It's been nice to go on these getaways with friends when you don't have to commit to a large sum of cash or stress about taking a long haul flight or two. Camping has been real wholesome and such a nice way to reconnect with nature and friends. Iron Chef Chris. Put the light on you. Oh, wow. Echo. Hi. Gee. As the night fell, we were fully settled around our campsite, catching up by the fire and the boys reminiscing on how chaotic they were in high school. And we settled around for dinner with Chris making hot pot and our friends making corned beef fried rice and salad. It was such a good night with perfect weather, good food and good company, and of course Echo to entertain us. Wow. Mom life.
Be prepared. Clean your nose.
Cheese. What's that? Oh. Whoa. Okay. As the morning rolled in, we started our breakfast once we were all awakened by the perfect morning sun. I just love that moment when that crisp morning air meets the sun, and there's such a nice fresh smell outside. After breakfast, we started packing up, and honestly, I can't tell you how grateful I am for the ute that we have, because it meant that we could just pack everything, chuck it in there, no worries. So after that, we packed up our very easy tent and then headed off to a brunch stop on the way back to Sydney.
Blackberry, apple. No, this is just blueberry.
Sour, burger,
They
So that's the end of this mini camping vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll definitely be camping again, I'm sure. And until the next one, I hope you're having a great week. I'll see you next time.
Does anyone need insect spray? There's actually heaps of them. I don't like cool looking ones because it's usually not
Yeah, kill it! Burn it with fire.
No, kill it. They don't just fire. Nope.
Should all go on at one place.
Oh, are you looking at the camera? Go. I can smile.
Oh, is the camera watching us eat?
Yeah.
There you go. Are you actually recording?
Eka, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Echo. I want to see you do it. Echo, subscribe down below.
Flossing or dancing?
No, you're not going to do it? Yeah. Yeah.